If your job calls for board and batt siding, the easiest way to get your material estimate is with the board siding kit. Simply use the area tool to draw out the coverage of your board siding, then assign the application to board siding. Then choose your product for the boards. In this case, I'll choose this Hardy panel. And then assign that board siding to a pack in your list. My board siding is now in the exterior trim pack in my list, and now you'll see that the application name has turned bold. If I hover my mouse over the application, you'll see the tooltip shows that the board siding kit has been called out. It's time to complete the kit usage by heading to the Lists tab and opening the exterior trim pack. Notice that under board siding, the 3 applications that are indented. These are the kit components that are called out by the board siding kit. We're getting exterior caulking automatically, but we'll need to choose what product we want for the battens. I'll search for another Hardy batten here and press Tab to lock that product in. I now need to enter the input for the battens. The best way to do this is to use the input from the board siding. Click the Formula F button in the input column, and here we're going to click the SF button for square footage to pull the square footage from the board siding. Click OK, and now the battens are done. The battens are calculated using a 16-inch on-center spacing, which you can see here in the formula column. We have a set of videos covering kits and the equation editor in more detail, so if you haven't already seen those, you can find links to them below the video. That's all you need to know about using the board siding kit for board and batt siding, but you can always edit and create your own kits in the Kits tab in the profile. To learn more about that, you can find the links to the full video series on kits below the video.